Has it ever happened to you that a woman you're interested in has ignored you? Do you find it difficult to face that girl after she has rejected you? I know it's an uncomfortable and painful situation. Women love to disappear without a trace with men, leaving them perplexed and hurt, questioning what mistakes they made. However, can you imagine if I teach you a method to completely transform this situation and take advantage of the rejection? It's crucial to understand that women often make decisions based on internal reflections. If her internal evaluation concludes that you are not a valuable option for her, unfortunately, you find yourself in an adverse position, and she is likely to prefer someone who seems more attractive initially. Here's the secret. You can show that her evaluations are wrong and that you actually have attributes she hasn't detected. By making her doubt her judgment, you can subtly but effectively undermine her confidence. This process of questioning her mistaken perception can lead to a drastic change in her attitude towards you, and it could even result in her seeking your attention insistently. In this video, we will explore 6 strategies in detail that will allow you to make her regret overlooking you. Each strategy is designed to challenge her initial assumptions and reveal the true person you are. Stay until the end to discover how to change the game and get the attention you desire. Number 1. Avoid falling into the trap of being boring. There's a saying that girls just want to have fun, and there's a lot of truth to that. Women often lose interest in men who don't add spark or excitement to their lives. It's not enough to be successful or financially well off. It's also crucial to be interesting and fun. So, it's important to strive to be someone cheerful who can make her laugh and create unforgettable moments. Don't let your focus on personal development make you become someone monotonous or lacking a sense of humor. Being exciting and attractive is a skill in itself, and it's vital to recognize that success and money alone don't automatically make you a stimulating partner. Therefore, find a balance between self-improvement and enjoying life, and make sure to add a touch of excitement and adventure to your daily routine. Remember, being an intriguing man is just as crucial as working on your personal growth. Number 2. Act as if she doesn't exist. You'll encounter many people who suggest you ask her what's wrong or if she wants to talk. They might even recommend being extremely polite with her. However, it's crucial to understand that this approach doesn't always work and can backfire. You should never make the mistake of interrogating her about why she's ignoring you, as this could reinforce in her mind the idea that you're desperate and lack self-esteem. It's vital to recognize that when a woman decides to ignore you, she's showing a clear lack of respect towards you. In such moments, the worst thing you can do is appear submissive and needy, as if you can't live without her attention. Neediness is one of the aspects that can quickly extinguish a woman's interest. Instead, the effective strategy is to behave as if she doesn't exist in your reality. It's important that this behavior comes naturally and doesn't seem artificial or full of resentment. It's not about playing childish games. It's about preserving your dignity and control. You need to project a deliberate indifference while continuing with your life. This sends a clear message that you don't consider her a priority and that you have more relevant interests and goals in your life than seeking her approval. It's essential not to be swayed by emotions in response to her behavior. She might be ignoring you because she's lost interest, or perhaps she's doing it as a test to evaluate your personality. Maintaining calmness and composure in such a situation can be a powerful sign of your self-confidence and emotional strength, which could alter the course of your relationship. Whatever the reason for her decision to ignore you, it's crucial to remain calm and not let her attitude affect you negatively. Remember that it's in your hands to give importance or diminish the value of her indifference. Number 3. It's crucial to focus on hard work. As a man, it's essential to keep your goals and objectives as a priority, regardless of whether a woman is ignoring you or not. In fact, when a woman ignores you, it's even more important to stay determined, hold your head high, and dedicate yourself to achieving your goals. The reality is, she probably wouldn't have ignored you if she didn't perceive the potential in you to become a better version of yourself. Therefore, keep striving to improve in all aspects of your life, physically, mentally, and financially. Focus on your personal development and ensure that your finances are stable. This might make her reconsider her decision to ignore you, especially if she sees you advancing in your career and improving your income. Show that you are a man concerned about his future and determined to succeed in life. Number 4, you gave her too much power. Often, women test men to see how far they can go and how much control they can exert over them. These tests can manifest in various ways, such as tantrums, inconsiderate treatment, emotional distancing, indifference, teasing, or even demanding favors. If you give in and tolerate bad behavior out of fear of losing her, you will gradually see the balance of power tilt in her favor while you lose self-respect. This is definitely not a situation you want to find yourself in a relationship with a woman. Ideally, mutual love and respect should be maintained without losing the balance of power. To achieve this harmony, it's crucial to have confidence in yourself and understand the power dynamics in relationships. If she crosses the line, it's vital to express your displeasure calmly but firmly. Let her know that her behavior has disappointed you and that you expect a change. Communication should be calm but clear. If she continues to repeat the same mistakes, it's your responsibility to stop giving her attention. This is what women truly respect. They do not value a man who tolerates their bad behavior out of fear of losing them. 5th, it is crucial to focus on your life purpose. A man without a defined purpose tends to give too much importance to minor problems and worry about insignificant matters. On the other hand, a man with a clear objective remains solid and self-assured. When a woman decides to ignore you, you shouldn't waste time worrying about someone else's actions, be it a man or a woman. By prioritizing your goals over a woman, you will not only challenge her but also minimize her importance, because her act of ignoring you will become completely insignificant. In effect, any action she takes will cease to impact your well-being. Therefore, focus your energies on your purpose and personal goals. If you haven't discovered your purpose yet, don't worry, I will give you some tips on how to find it. Number 6, find your purpose. Although I'm deviating a bit from the main topic here, I want to emphasize the importance of this last point, which is why I've saved it for the end of this video. It's possible that some people with limited attention have already stopped paying attention at this point, but for those still here, let's explore how to identify your purpose in life. The path to discovering your purpose begins by eliminating all distractions from your life and taking time to be alone with your thoughts. Reflect deeply on what you truly value and what you want to achieve. Your purpose can take many forms, from accumulating wealth to becoming a champion in something, mastering a skill, or having a positive impact on other people's lives. The possibilities are limitless, and it's essential to meditate on what your deepest desires are. Once you've identified your purpose, it's time to subject it to an authenticity test. You must ask yourself why you want to achieve that goal. For example, if your purpose is to become a billionaire, the first question would be, why? Your initial answer might be because you want to have freedom. Then, continue with the new why. This is where the true desire is distinguished from superficial goals. Someone with a genuine purpose can answer this why question at least 10 times, digging deeper with each response. On the other hand, those who have adopted a life ideal influenced by social media or external suggestions will not be able to answer sincerely to each why. Through this exercise, you can quickly determine if your desire is genuine and passionate, or if it is merely a superficial ambition. Continue questioning yourself, why? At least 10 times, and see if you can provide consistent answers. This way, you can discover what your true purpose in life is. If this content provided value to you as a man, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and like the video. This way, you motivate me to keep creating more content like this. See you next time.